the ultimate IMACD process guide for seamless transition in 2023. In the ever-evolving business world, navigating transitions is paramount to staying competitive. But how can organizations manage the complexities of changes like mergers, relocations, or technological upgrades? IMACD, which stands for Install, Move, Add, Change, and Disposal, is a comprehensive process that ensures smooth transitions for your organization. The IMACD process comprises 5 essential stages: installation, move, add, change, and decommissioning. Proficiency in these stages is vital for achieving IT success and maintaining business continuity. It seamlessly guides you through every phase of change, from installing new systems to disposing of outdated resources. IMACD's 5 phases are like stepping stones to success. IMACD's structured approach helps organizations address these challenges, ensuring smoother transitions, reduced disruptions, and improved productivity. Seamless operations. IMACD ensures continuity during transitions, minimizing disruptions and enhancing operational performance. Enhanced employee satisfaction. A systematic approach reduces employee uncertainty, leading to higher morale and productivity. Reduced downtime, increased efficiency. IMACD streamlines transition, minimizing operational downtime and enhancing efficiency. Optimal resource utilization. IMACD ensures resources are used efficiently, maximizing ROI. Assessing your current transition process is crucial for improving efficiency. It involves evaluating existing procedures, engaging with employees for feedback, analyzing data, and continuously refining strategies. Explore software and tools, conduct market analysis, compare features, evaluate vendors, and conduct pilot testing. In conclusion, embracing IMACD empowers your organization to navigate transitions confidently. The substantial rewards include elevated employee satisfaction, reduced downtime, and enhanced cost. Please read our full blog, The Ultimate IMACD Process Guide for Seamless Transitions in 2023 at Infraon Blogs.